Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Highguard on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to play Highguard on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Highguard. After that, you're going to scroll down until you find Highguard's website. Here it is, playhighguard.com. And here what you're going to do is you're going to click on to play free now here, or you can also click on Steam, PlayStation or Xbox platform here. So just click onto your platform and then it will launch the Highguard page for you. You're going to click on play now on here and then it will start downloading Highguard on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.